to make a paper flying bird. You need a glue, a marker, and a ruler. And you need to cut some beaks and eyes. And for making its face, you'll need this circling container. Now let's start. You have to cut a rectangle piece of paper into a square piece of paper. So you have to fold diagonal. And then fold it this way. Cut it this from rectangle to square. Now I have to cut this diagonal this way. I fold it. Now I've cut this into triangle pieces. Now I need a ruler for it. You have to cut this from this way. We need one marker. Put this right here. Draw between two, like two, just two. Let me put 2 and 4 centimeters. And then use a scissors and cut it into stripes, large stripes. You then do the same thing over here. Just now cutting these both in pieces. I would have to fold this into half. You need to use one of these diagonal papers I cut it into. So we have to fold this triangle paper into half. And then we have to put it in here, inside this thing. Wherever you put, you have to take a marker or a pencil and draw a line there. This here. And then take it out. And then put a line around this whole thing. And then cut the stripes to here, like this. Now I'm done cutting this into stripes. I have to do like this. You could use the scissors if you want, but I'm using my hand. I think we'll now use scissors. Now I've done doing like this way. I have to glue here, this whole part. Okay, I'm almost done gluing. I'm going to, the part I have to glue. Yes, now I'm done gluing. I have to take this and stick here over this line. First you need to fold this into the other eye. Be careful you don't touch the glue. First maybe we need to put this in here. And then fold it that way. Now I have to glue this string I cut it. Here. I'm done gluing this. Now I have to make its face. I'll need a marker to circle around it. Now I'm going to cut this circle I made it around. Now I've cut it two of circles. I have to glue it over here. This both sides of this set. Now I have to cut it here, little stripes. I'm going to cut one more piece. Almost done. Now I'm done cutting this. Now I have to glue these beaks. I have to this triangle beaks both here. Now I have to glue its eyes. Now I've done making this. I'll show you how it could be fly like this. Please subscribe. See, this is how it flies. Please subscribe, like, and thank you guys. Bye bye.